Hi, everybody. I'm Trin Johnson, and welcome to Dust in My Eye. So, if you've been with me for the last month or so, you'll know that I am painting this Lightwish calendar, and I am going to paint February's painting today. I am using my winter palette from the little palettes I made. I also have my spring palette, my summer palette, and my fall palette. And I am going to use those to do spring, summer, and fall. Ta-da! So, this is still winter, and the next month it will still be winter, so March. So let's get going. Today I'm painting a floral, much like what I intended to paint when I was not thinking about putting the winter palette with the calendar. I was just going to go loose and free and paint what I wanted with my, try and get that where you can see it. How about over here? Loose and free with my calendar, but now I'm trying to paint with my seasonal palettes, which has been kind of fun. So I'm going to get this yellow a little cleaner because my Naples yellow looks like it's seen some hard times. There we go. That's better. I was just watching Lindsay Wyrick this morning, and she said that she sprayed the back of her paper, and that helped it stay flat. My January is not too bad, actually. I did not do that. Let me show you. It's pretty flat, but I am going to give her a try and spray the back of that just in case. I don't put a lot of paint on these. I'm kind of trying to stick to smaller pieces and vignettes, so that could be why I did not have a problem finding. There we go. The sprayer was proving to be a little problem. So let's try that. Oh, while I'm at it, spray those. Now, will you stay flat? There's my problem. What I might do, I'm just going to tape the corners down. Just till I get going. Because I might pick it up and turn it around at some point. But this shouldn't be too much in my way. All right, so let's get started. I'm going to start by wetting this area in here more than I think I'm going to need. I'm going to go into my lavender first. Make like little snowballs. I still managed to go outside of where I wet it. There. Let's get one little guy down here. A little more color. I've been impressed with how nice this paper is. I really wasn't expecting it to be nice paper. I was expecting it to be okay. I like it more than I thought I would. I'm just dropping a little lunar blue in. And then some indigo. Don't want that big a indigo. Trying to get more pigment and less water so it stays a little more like a dot. This is not any particular kind of flower, it's just something in my head. That's what, these are all not meant to be anything specific. Okay, let's do some moon glow. Little one leaning kind of off to the side. I love the way it separates into this light blue and that pretty purple. All right, let's might do another one of those, but right now I'm going to leave that. And work with the Rhodonite Genuine. These ones kind of look a little like peonies. Or roses, big cabbage roses. I don't know. Doesn't matter, because like I said, I am not aiming for a particular flower. Now I'm going to take my lavender and mix it with a little bit of the rhodonite, whatever it is. A little bud. I think we need another one of these over here. These little moon glow. Maybe not a big boy, maybe just a little guy, like the one on the other side. Just let him do his thing. Okay, now I want to get some yellow in there, so I'm going to get this stuff off. Get my pretty Naples yellow. And just kind of get filler and maybe some height. Little button-like flowers. You know, they have the little bitty buds. I'm not loving this one right here. I wonder if I can lift it. Or if it'll just cause me more grief. It's probably going to cause me more grief, so I'm just not going to do it. I'm going to leave it. All right, then we're going to mix up some green with our jadeite. And I think a little bloodstone. Kind of calms it down a little bit. And some of our nice Naples yellow. Pretty fair green. I'm going to do some stems. I don't really care if some of the stems don't have any place to go to. It's not really what I'm after here. Just a general amount of stems. up some more green. Let's take a little bit of the lunar, not lunar, yeah, lunar blue. Duh. Okay. So that was pretty simple. We want just a smidge of indigo to sign it with. And it's staying pretty flat, although it kind of wants to jump up here a little bit. Let's see. So I hope you enjoyed watching February. I just looked down to make sure I had the right day or month and I didn't paint on the wrong one with my winter palette. And at the end of February, I will be doing March with this palette, and then I'll move on to my spring palette. Things to look forward to as the temperature is supposed to drop to single digits today and tomorrow, I think, for the next week or so. Really nasty, and I'm not looking forward to it. But here, let me bring this up closer so you can see. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your being here. And if you would like to, please check out my Etsy shop where I have prints of my artwork, along with cute little monsters and other fun stuff for sale.